Brendan, this is a card. Let's see, it says, Happy birthday. Wishing you a day full of surprises and joy all around.
Is that from Grandma?
Love, Monica and Kenny.
Oh. You're just not getting to the card now?
Well, the card was
It was on top of this.
Okay. Well, Grandma's present out.
Maddie, what are you doing, babe?
It's still in a box. You can't play with it yet. We're getting the presents open, then we'll get the presents open. I couldn't leave the store without it. Look, I can't even get them away from it after opening stuff. Brendan, what's this?
Oh, one of those. That's what you're talking about.
Oh, there? Is that from Grandma?
Yeah. Look at you got some Grandma. Grandma and Grandpa.
Wait till Friday. We'll burn all that, all the paper and everything.
Okay.
We'll put it in a spot where it won't blow away.
That was what, last year?
Well, I got room in the trash can. I think.
Oh, based off next year.
Mom, you're at this too well. I'm still unwrapping it. Yeah, fun part. I get it. Take it apart and put it together once we open the last.